Hi students, I am just going to um, record this so that you can see this activity on analyzing political cartoons. It's a great activity and it kind of gives you a little background as well as walking you through the process of analyzing this cartoon right here. So let me go on and play the audio for this while we discuss this and then we'll move forward.
Political cartoons have been around for more than 250 years. For over 100 years, they have been a significant part of newspaper and magazine content. Political cartoons can inform, enlighten, and persuade. John D. Rockefeller founded Standard Oil in 1870. By 1879, Standard Oil controlled 90% of oil refining in the United States. Rockefeller accomplished this by forming a trust, a group of companies run by a single board of directors. His trust included other oil companies, as well as companies that supported oil refining, railroads, pipelines, oil barrels, and so on. The trust allowed him to build a monopoly by eliminating competition. This cartoon depicts the cartoonist's opinion of Standard Oil. Study the political cartoon, then click the button to begin.
Alright, so that gives you a little bit of background. We're going to click the button. Now the first thing it wants you to do is to click on the part of the image that represents the Standard Oil Company. Now when you're looking at this image, there's a lot of things to go through on here. So you want to make sure that you're taking in all the various details, the difference in what's being shown at the top versus the bottom. So the first thing you want to click on is where it says Standard Oil Company. And then it's going to ask you to check it. Yay, look at that. We did a good job. So then we're going to go to the next screen. So to what was the cartoonist comparing the Standard Oil Company? So when we're looking at this and when we talked about it in the first slide, you're looking to see what it was being compared to. So what does this look like if it wasn't a bunch of buildings there and it didn't have this oil drum in the middle? What does this look like? You want to look at the various little tentacles that are hanging out here, all these little fun things. What does that remind you of? So take a second and think about that. And then when you're ready, go on and press play again and we'll check our answer. So here are our three options: a rich industrialist, an octopus, or America's industrial might. Well, to me, with all these little tentacles here, we're going to say octopus and see what it says. So we're going to click that and then check our answer. Yay, we got the right answer. So remember, each part of this is looking through a different scope. So on this one, click on the part of the political cartoon that shows the cartoonist believed that the Standard Oil Company was influencing the banking industry. So which part of this looks like the banking industry? What do you think? Let's look at all the different things we got going on here. So we got some oil drums, we got some oil towers. Got some boats over here and some people. Maybe even a train. So where, oh where are our banks? Well, to tell you the truth, these kind of guys right here looks like banks to me. What do you think? Let's check our answer up here at the top. Yay, we got it right. So that is a bank. So that's what we're going to look at to start with. Now on the next slide, it gives us a different picture. How does the cartoonist depict Carnegie so that readers will know who he is? Click on the part of the image. All right, so let's take a look at old Carnegie here. So this is a much bigger image. So we're going to have to scroll right and we're going to have to scroll up and down to kind of see the image. It's not a very good image here. We can't see it very good. There we go. kind of not placed right. Give me just a second, guys. Okay, it looks like just something weird is going on with this image. So we can kind of look, I mean, we've got kind of the background here. I'm not really sure why exactly it's showing it like this, but it's a little bit weird. So how do they depict Carnegie so that the readers know who he is? So look in this background picture here, and you can kind of see these pieces, you know, they kind of fit in over there. So which one of these depicts Carnegie and shows what kind of who he is? What do you think? Let's just guess. Let's check this one here. Uh-oh, we didn't get that one right. Let's take a look. There's a lot of slatty ones here. So let's pick another one. What do you guys think? Let's click try again. What about this? I mean, hello. Lots of money here. What do you think? Let's click and check it. Oh no, that was wrong again. Okay, so the correct answer was this tartan over here. Again, this picture is kind of wonky. I'm not really sure why it's doing it this way, but we'll just skip to the next one and see. There's the correct picture. All right, that's how it should look all together. I don't know why the other one was a little bit different, but that's what the picture should look like. So what kind of institute is shown benefiting from Carnegie's philosophy? Is that going to be banks, courts, or libraries? What do you think? Look down here. What do we see down here on the ground? Who's benefiting from Carnegie's philanthropy? Sorry. Philanthropy means giving money away. So who's benefiting from that? Well, look what it says right here, guys. Libraries. So let's click on libraries. Yay, we got it right. All right, guys, that is the end of this section. So I hope you learned a little bit about how to analyze these two cartoons. And if you have any questions, just let your teacher know. Thank you, guys.